North Carolina is in the cold, icy grip of a mammoth winter storm. Enjoy the beauty, but respect the danger. Snow and ice can make the scene outside your window look like a holiday card, but don't be fooled. This storm is treacherous, especially if you try to drive in it.
We'll get started in about 2 minutes, everyone.
2 minutes. Here's your 2 minute warning.
From Charlotte across central North Carolina, the biggest concern now is ice making roads even more dangerous and increasing the likelihood of more power outages. Travel conditions are extremely hazardous in many places. The State Highway Patrol has responded to more than 500 crashes just since midnight. Our troopers are ready to help you, but don't make us have to. Don't put your life and the lives of first responders at risk by getting out on roads covered with snow and ice. Instead, stay put if you can. Wrap a few presents, decorate the tree, and watch some football.